Hi guys, welcome to JPM Adventures. Today we're doing the pizza video. So let's just start. To make pizza, you have to have the pizza crust and this. The pizza sauce and pepperoni and cheese. First, we have to preheat the oven. First, we're going to take the oil and spread it on the crust all the way. Then we're going to take the pizza sauce. So we're going to spread them on there. Now we're going to put pepperoni in there. Pepperoni is my favorite. Oopsie. Can't wait to eat this. Two more. Now it's time to put cheese on it. Ew. We're almost done. Alright, that's enough cheese. Now I have to put it in the oven. Alright guys, now I have to wait for 10 to 15 minutes. I can't wait to eat my pizza. It looks so delicious. I can't wait to eat it, guys. So hot, so good. 10 out of 10.